Hi everyone, this is Frontier Bounty Network. It is not just a generic bounty board on CY. It is an e-Frontier bounty infrastructure dApp that turns wanted player state into smart infrastructure policy. In this demo, I'll show how live on-chain bounty can become a smart gate policy signal. So instead of bounties being passive data, they become an input for access control, deterrence, and player-run infrastructure. First, here is the bounty layer. These wanted targets and rewards come from live on-chain bounty state. The bounty is created on CY, stored in the global bounty board, and then smart assemblies can read that wanted state later when they apply policy. So the gate logic is not based on local UI state or mark data. It is driven by real bounty objects and real chainback status. If I open one bounty, you can see the target, the reward, and the status. This is the economic signal that the rest of the infrastructure can use. Now I'll switch back to the Smart Gate demo view. This page turns the wanted player state into three possible gate policies: block, surcharge, or alert only. For the demo, I'll use surcharge because it is the clearest example of how player-run infrastructure can impose consequences without fully denying movement. This is the core of the demo. Here, the gate owner can register bounty-aware policy on-chain. The policy mode I'm choosing is surcharge. In our contract design, the Smart Gate policy layer supports block, surcharge, and alert only. And the jump permission check is designed to return 0.0 for allow, 1 for block, 2 for surcharge, and 3 for alert only. Now I'll connect my wallet and submit the transaction. This follows the same builder mental model shown in the e-Frontier dApp tutorial. Connect through eVault or another compatible wallet, build the transaction in the front end, then sign and execute it on-chain. Another transaction is submitted successfully. This means the bounty-aware gate policy itself is not chain-backed. So the live part here is real, the bounty state is live. The wallet signature is live, and the gate policy registration is live. What is not fully live yet is the final game runtime hook. Today, this demo shows the policy service on-chain. The next integration step is to connect this policy into the actual Smart Gate runtime, so that the in-game Conjure flow uses the registered bounty policy directly. So the current state is live on-chain bounty state, live on-chain gate policy registration, but stage game runtime hookup. The reason this matters for e-Frontier is that it turns bounty systems into programmable infrastructure. Wanted players are no longer just listed on a board. They can trigger travel penalties, access restrictions, and eventually automated defensive behavior across player-run infrastructure. So this project is best understood as an e-Frontier smart infrastructure layer powered by bounty state on CY. Thank you.